Astrid.
Hi, I'm Stefan.
And we make up Adventures with Astrid. I'm super excited to have you come with us on so many adventures. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so we've made it off the plane, officially in Mexico. Isn't that pretty? Had several children on my plane, but none of them were screamers for the most part. I even got a little person high five. It was grand. Now we're off to baggage claim and customs, right?
Yep. And fighting the people in the lobby.
Oh, yes.
Prepared. Prepared for combat. Ooh, it's humid.
Yeah.
Ooh, ready to check, my friend?
All right, so we have arrived. Here is my home for the next week. Oh, super cute bed. Flips around, we've got a TV over here. There we go. Let's see what else. Ooh, good sitting area. That's super cute. We've got our full spread of a mini kitchen here, and I am told there is a Murphy bed in there. And you're not gonna be able to see it tonight, but we do have a balcony. Just super cute. And we'll take you around here. It leads into the big open style bathroom, which is gorgeous. Look at this. Excited. We made it. All right, so we are waking up day one in the daylight. You ready to see the view I got to wake up to? Look at this. It's a beautiful day. It should be about 83, 84 today. It was still humid last night. And I think our first stop is to go check for some breakfast because this girl needs coffee. We'll check back soon. So good morning, everybody. We have officially made it to breakfast. And as I turn the camera around, you'll get to see breakfast view. I mean, not bad at all. There's the ocean just beyond there. And then for starter breakfast, we got the coffee, but then all of a sudden they come out with the amazing bread. And look at all these jams. They're in all kinds of fruit flavors, including that one being chocolate. All right, so we had very delicious breakfast. What did you have for breakfast, sir?
Chorizo burrito.
It was tasty.
Yeah.
And I had chilaquiles because who doesn't want to have chilaquiles for breakfast? And they don't do it any justice where we live. And now we have landed with this kind of view. And we've got this awesome swim-up pool on the other side, but I was not dressed for that. And our awesome wait staff just killing it here. And then we turn around, and this handsome gentleman. Check back later, guys. All right, so we went to the bar. We saw some whales. We made some friends. Said friend said, try the Chavez margarita. We did, it was very tasty. And now we're just kind of on walk back to our room simply because Hallie's burned between 12 and 2. And it is probably about 85 today if I had to guess without looking. But it was gorgeous. We kind of tour around as we go. Oh yes, and I saw pelicans too, which was cool. Oh, and a kestrel, right?
Yeah.
So we'll show you more of the day as it progresses.